Welcome to this complete Agadir Morocco travel guide, the perfect companion for your Moroccan adventure. Nestled on the Atlantic coast, Agadir is a vibrant city where traditional Moroccan charm meets modern-day living. From the sun-drenched beaches to the bustling souks, the city is a melting pot of experiences waiting to be discovered. Rich in history, culture and natural beauty, Agadir offers a unique blend that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Fasten your virtual seatbelt as we embark on a journey through the sun-kissed city of Agadir. Our first destination is the magnificent Agadir Beach. This enchanting locale, nestled on Morocco's southern coast, is a testament to nature's artistry. Agadir Beach is a picturesque expanse of golden sand, stretching far and wide, warmly caressed by the Atlantic. Its crystalline waters shimmer in the sun, offering an idyllic setting for sunbathers seeking the perfect tan. The soft murmur of the waves is a soothing serenade that adds to the tranquil ambience. However, Agadir Beach is more than just an oasis of serenity. It's also a hotspot for adrenaline junkies. A wide range of water sports are available, including jet skiing and windsurfing, promising an exhilarating experience for those looking to satiate their thirst for adventure. As the sun starts to dip, the beach transforms into a lively hub. A vibrant promenade, flanked by a medley of restaurants and cafes, springs to life. Each establishment beckons with a unique culinary experience. The tantalizing flavors and aromas create a veritable symphony for your senses. Savor a refreshing Moroccan mint tea or relish the fresh seafood as you bask in the breathtaking spectacle of the setting sun. Whether you're a sun worshipper or a water sports enthusiast, Agadir Beach has something for everyone. Next, we journey to the historic Agadir Oufella ruins. These ruins are a testament to the city's rich past, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Originally built in the 16th century as a fortified granary, the Oufella ruins were once a bustling hub of activity. Now they offer an intimate connection to history, a glimpse into a bygone era. The hushed echoes of the past resonate in this once thriving fortress, inviting you to imagine the vibrant life that once filled these walls. But history isn't the only thing that makes these ruins a must-visit. Perched high on a hill, they offer breathtaking panoramic views of Agadir. The cityscape unfolds beneath you, the hustle and bustle of the modern world contrasting starkly with the tranquility of the ruins. Beyond, the Atlantic Ocean stretches out, its endless expanse a sight to behold. With its rich history and panoramic views, Agadir Oufella ruins is a must-visit. Prepare for a sensory overload as we navigate through Souk El Had d'Agadir. Picture a bustling market teeming with life and color, where you can feel the pulse of Agadir. This is not just a market, it's a hive of activity, a melting pot of sights, sounds and smells. As we weave through the labyrinth of over 3,000 stalls, you can indulge in the freshest produce, from juicy oranges to crunchy peppers, all grown under the generous Moroccan sun. The scent of herbs and spices fill the air, a sensory melody that plays the tune of this vibrant city. Make your way to the artisan section, where tradition meets creativity. Discover Moroccan crafts, from beautifully woven Berber carpets to intricately designed pottery, each item telling a story of the rich cultural heritage. And don't forget to haggle a bit, it's all part of the experience too. For an authentic Moroccan shopping experience, Souk El Had d'Agadir is the place to be. From shopping, we move on to the exotic world of Crocoparc. This isn't your typical zoo, it's a sanctuary dedicated to the fascinating world of crocodiles. With more than 300 of these prehistoric creatures, visitors can witness the alluring and somewhat terrifying beauty of these reptiles. The park isn't just about gazing at crocodiles, though. It serves an educational purpose, teaching visitors about the biology, life cycle, and conservation efforts for crocodiles. Leaving the world of crocs, we step back in time as we enter La Medina d'Agadir. This isn't the original old town, mind you. The original was sadly lost in the earthquake of 1960. But this recreated Medina offers a glimpse into the past, faithfully reimagining the traditional Moroccan architecture, crafts, and way of life. It's a walk through history with the modern convenience of cafes and shops. From crocodiles to culture, these attractions offer a unique slice of Moroccan life. Next, we explore the luxurious Marina d'Agadir. Immerse yourself in the opulence of this place, where the rich and famous dock their yachts. The Marina is a testament to Agadir's modernity, boasting upscale boutiques that sell everything from designer clothes to exquisite Moroccan handicrafts. After you've indulged in some retail therapy, take a leisurely stroll along the Marina and marvel at the gleaming yachts that line the harbour. Then let's trade the glitz and glamour of the Marina for the serene beauty of Paradise Valley. Nestled in the Atlas Mountains, this oasis is a paradise indeed. Picture this: lush palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze, natural pools shimmering under the Moroccan sun, and the soothing sound of cascading water. It's the perfect place to unwind and reconnect with nature. For a taste of luxury or a dip into nature, these spots are your go-to destinations. Our journey continues to the charming Valley of the Birds. Nestled in the heart of Agadir, this tranquil oasis is a haven for a multitude of bird species. From flamingos standing on one leg to parakeets chirping merrily in the trees, the park offers a delightful spectacle of avian life. The sound of birdsong fills the air, creating a soothing symphony that is sure to enchant every visitor. Leaving the feathered friends behind, we move to the sun-drenched shores of Agadir Beach. Known as a surfer's paradise, this beach has waves that beckon to both novice and seasoned surfers. The azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean meet the golden sand, creating a picturesque backdrop for a day of surfing or simply unwinding. Whether you're a bird lover or a wave rider, these attractions will surely delight. From the vibrant colors and sounds of the Valley of the Birds to the thrilling waves of Agadir Beach, Agadir offers a unique blend of experiences to its visitors. Finally, we pay a visit to the solemn Agadir Memorial Museum. This poignant place is a testament to the city's resilience in the face of tragedy, commemorating the devastating earthquake of 1960 that left Agadir in ruins. The museum serves as a stark reminder of the event that forever changed the course of the city's history. It's not just about remembering the past, though. It's about understanding how that past has shaped the present and how the spirit of Agadir has endured despite the challenges. The exhibits are a tribute to the strength of the human spirit, showcasing the city's journey from destruction to rejuvenation. It's a journey that's mirrored in the city's people, their stories interwoven with the fabric of Agadir itself. A visit to the Agadir Memorial Museum is not just about remembering the past, it's about celebrating the resilience, the spirit, and the enduring charm of Agadir. A visit to the Agadir Memorial Museum leaves one with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the city's resilience. Our tour of Agadir Morocco may be over, but the memories and experiences will last a lifetime. From the sun-kissed shores of Agadir Beach to the historic Agadir Oufella ruins, the bustling Souk El Had d'Agadir and the vibrant Marina d'Agadir, each location offered a unique glimpse into the heart of this captivating destination. Even the crocs at Crocoparc and the birds at Vallée des Oiseaux gave us a warm welcome. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through Agadir, Morocco. We hope to see you on the next adventure.